Hello guys, welcome back. So in this lecture, we are going to see how to print an address of a given variable, and also we'll see how to declare a point. Okay, so without any delay, let's get started. So what I'm going to tell you now is I'm going to tell you how to find an address of a variable. Okay, so first thing, include a library file. Okay, and the next thing, write the main function. The next thing, define an integer of a equals 10. The value will be 10, and I'm going to print the address. So what I'm going to print, the address of the given variable is. So whenever we'll print an address, we'll define it as percentage x. Okay, we'll declare it as percentage x. So as you all know, percentage d, percentage f, percentage s, percentage l, everything percentage d. So percentage x is to find an address. So how to find an address? So if you remember the scanf function, whenever we are scanning a integer or anything from the user, we'll give an ampersand symbol and the variable in which we need to store. So what do the ampersand do? Ampersand will store the entered value inside the address. So in order to get the address, we need to use the ampersand symbol. Okay, so ampersand, which address we want? A address we want. So printf ampersand a gives the address of a. So let us see if it works. I'm going to name it as pointer intro. Now see, this is the address. 62fe1c is an address location. Okay, memory location in which the 10 got stored. Okay, so I'm going to declare another variable. Okay, int b. Okay, int b is going to store the address of a, and I'm going to print the value of b. Okay, what I'm doing, I'm just storing the value of a inside b, and I'm printing the value of b. Okay, since we have stored the address, I'm going to print the value. See, we got an error. What is the error? Invalid conversion from pointer to integer. So this comes from here. We need to discuss about pointers. So what are the pointers, how to declare the pointers, what is the basics of pointers, and all the other stuff. So what is a pointer? Pointer is nothing but a variable which points towards the address of another variable. Okay, so how can we recognize a pointer inside a program? When a variable has a star before it, we'll say that it is a pointer. Okay, so how to store the pointer, an address inside the pointer? Percentage b, I mean, sorry, it's not percentage, it's star. Okay, int star b. Okay, so this b is a pointer. What is a pointer? Pointer points towards an address. So now we can store the address of a inside this, and I'm going to print b. Okay, so let us see what happens now. Yeah, we got an address. So let us see whether it is showing the correct address or not. Okay, so this is the value of the address of a, and I am also going to print the address of b. Okay, percentage x comma b, the value inside the b. So b stored the correct address or not? Let us see. You can see 62FE14. Here 62FE14. So yeah, the pointer is pointing towards the address of A. Wow, we have seen how to declare a pointer, how to store an address inside a pointer, how to print the pointer, and we have verified whether the address of A and the address stored inside B is same or not. What happens if we do not create a pointer and try to store an address? It gives an exception. It asks to convert from int star to int. So we need to define a pointer and execute this. Okay, you can see 62FE14 stores 10. Okay, and also the value of B gives 621E, I mean 62FE14. Okay, both are the same addresses. So we have executed properly. So in this lecture, what you have done how to find an address of a variable and the use of percentage x, and how to declare a pointer and how to store an address inside the pointer, and how to print that pointer, how to print that address stored inside a pointer using printf function. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.